The human body constantly encounters microscopic organisms. To survive, it relies on a complex defense network known as the immune system. Every day, viruses and bacteria attempt to enter the body, searching for opportunities to infect healthy cells. The human body constantly encounters microscopic organisms. To survive, it relies on a complex defense network known as the immune system. The first line of defense is the skin, which forms a strong barrier preventing most microbes from entering the body. Chemical defenses such as tears, saliva, and stomach acid help destroy harmful microbes. In the respiratory tract, mucus traps microbes while tiny hair-like cilia sweep them away. If pathogens manage to pass these barriers, the immune system activates its next defense. The body responds with inflammation, increasing blood flow and sending immune cells to the infection. White blood cells detect signals from infected tissue and move directly toward invading microbes. Phagocytes surround pathogens and trap them inside the immune cell. Fragments of the pathogen are displayed to alert other immune cells. This activates the adaptive immune system, which targets specific pathogens. B cells produce antibodies designed to recognize specific microbes. These antibodies neutralize pathogens and mark them for destruction. T cells destroy infected cells to stop the spread of infection. Immune cells communicate through signaling molecules called cytokines. The immune system gradually removes pathogens and restores healthy tissue. Some immune cells become memory cells that remember the infection. If the pathogen returns, the immune system responds faster and stronger. This powerful defense system works continuously to protect the human body from disease. The complement system is a chain reaction of proteins that mark pathogens and punch holes in their membranes to destroy them efficiently. Dendritic cells capture antigens from pathogens and transport them to lymph nodes to alert the adaptive immune system. Inside lymph nodes, immune cells rapidly multiply and coordinate a precise attack against invading microbes. B cells transform into plasma cells that produce antibodies to neutralize pathogens and mark them for destruction. Neutrophils can release DNA webs called nets that trap and immobilize invading bacteria.
Antibodies bind to viruses, neutralizing them and preventing further infection.
Cytotoxic T cells can also detect and destroy abnormal or cancerous cells to protect the body. Natural killer cells patrol the body, identifying and eliminating infected or abnormal cells without prior exposure. Vaccines introduce harmless antigens to train the immune system, creating memory cells for faster future responses. Sometimes the immune system can mistakenly attack the body's own cells, a phenomenon called autoimmunity. After infection is cleared, immune cells retreat and tissues begin to heal and return to normal. While the immune system constantly protects us, microscopic pathogens are always seeking entry. Let's watch what happens when bacteria and viruses invade the human body and trigger the immune defenses. Airborne viruses enter the nasal passages. Mucus traps many, but some reach the cells, attempting to infect them. The virus attaches to specific receptors on human cells, injecting its genetic material to hijack the cell's machinery. Once inside, the virus uses the cell's machinery to replicate, producing hundreds of new viral particles. The infected cell releases new viruses, which move on to infect nearby healthy cells, spreading the infection. Macrophages detect the virus and begin engulfing particles while releasing signals to alert other immune cells. Neutrophils rush to the infection site and release nets of DNA that trap and immobilize pathogens. Macrophages detect the virus and begin engulfing particles while releasing signals to alert other immune cells. Dendritic cells capture viral antigens and display them, alerting the adaptive immune system. Inside the lymph nodes, B and T cells multiply and prepare a precise attack against the invading virus. B cells release antibodies that bind to viruses, neutralizing them and stopping further infection. With the coordinated action of the immune system, the infection is cleared, tissues recover, and the body returns to balance, ready to face new threats.